Hey guys, this is me, Agent Fox. We're back to the video, and so this one, guys, it's gonna be a pretty interesting video. So they were predicting now. Well, I shouldn't say the first, but they're calling for the major winter storm tomorrow night. But actually, no, tomorrow morning. Then it's gonna go all the way through Monday afternoon. So it's gonna be a 24-hour. Up a storm, and it's just going to be a storm where we're just going to constantly just plow after round after round, and yeah. So right now I'm going to go down to the shop. I'm going to do some plow the preparations and make sure we're ready to go for tomorrow morning. So here's guys. So I'm going to go. I'm gonna go down at the shop and I'm gonna hook up the plow on this truck right here, and then after that I'm gonna go hop in the other truck and I'm gonna go get some fuel, and I'm gonna make sure all the gas containers all capped off and they're ready to go, because we could lose that power as well. This is the weekend, so that should be interesting. But we got a good generator here, so not really worried about it. So alright guys, so let's go down the shop now, hook the plow up, and we'll go get some fuel. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys, let's see how good I am to wind this up. Sometimes I get the kind of nail right on, but sometimes you just gotta eye it up, make sure it's in the right spot. And that's it. Hopefully it's all good. Yep, we're in. All right. Wait, that's backwards. No, I'm right. All right. All good there. Make sure we're good on the controller. Left. Look, I think the cylinders are frozen. Yeah, that's not the way it should be moving right now. Yeah, maybe they're frozen. Yeah, that's not the way it should be, but it'll be inside the shop, so hopefully they'll thaw out. But all right, I'm all good there. So now we'll hop in the other truck and we'll go get some fuel. So I'm just going to leave this outside for now, and because I want to pull my truck in there, and I'm gonna put Mama's car in there as well. So yeah, so guys, let's hop in the other truck and let's go to the gas station. Alright guys, so I just got done to putting the fuel in the containers and the truck. But anyway, recording of it because there were several the people walking around. I just don't want to look too suspicious. So, but yeah, all good now. All the cans are filled and the truck is capped off. So now I'm gonna head back at the house and I'm just gonna do some stuff out there. We're in there, and yeah, and man, let me tell you, it's cold. 19 degrees. That's showing. Might as well show you guys. 19. Yeah, it's cold out there. So, alright guys, well, I'm gonna pack up and go back at the house, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So the machine is back on the trailer, and yep. So now what I'm gonna do now is move all this stuff out of the way here, so that way we can get all the cars in here and to make sure it's we'll be all right. And yeah, I'm gonna take that up at the house, and I'm going to put it under the deck, so that way there's not a foot of snow on top of it. So so I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. So so guys, here's some of the gold stuff out of here, and go from there. Alright guys, so I got the generator up here, and the answer's gonna have to go right there. I really want to put this on the deck, but I just don't think it's possible. So that's just the way it's gonna have to go, I guess. And yeah, I'll make sure this is all capped off with fuel, and this is all ready to rock. So now I just gotta put my mom's car down the garage in my truck, and then I gotta move stuff around inside the shed so that way I can put that quad back inside, so that way it's nice and warm. So that's all, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. We're in here. All right, guys. So the cars are in here. I got my truck in here, and yeah, it goes but just barely enough to close the door, just barely. Yep. So I got my truck in here. I got my mom's car in here now. So yep. So on this way, everything will stay nice and dry, and don't have to worry about the snow later. So, alright, guys. So really, the only thing that I gotta do is get all the stuff that's in the shed out of there, so I can pull the quad back in there, and I think that'll do it. So, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. So the quad is inside the shed, and I got the little the portable Peter going, just so you know that way it keeps the engine nice and warm, I guess. I don't know what to call it. Because I gotta be able to make sure this starts up. But at the end of the storm, I gotta make sure this starts up so I can assault the hill. But yeah, guys, the assaulter is still working. They're pretty good, and yeah, that's so, guys. This Lieutenant came around, and I'm gonna do the outro to the video. Alright, guys, so let's get it with this one here. This was kind of just a snow prep video, just to make sure that we'll set and ready to go for the big storm tomorrow. And yeah, so we are officially snow ready, and yeah, everything is all 100% ready to go, and now it's just a matter of waiting for the snow. So bring it on, bring it on. So alright, guys, so let's get with this off the video here. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't like always to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.